Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. Today I am here to discuss with you second model question paper which is released by KSEEB board, and this is your paper. Same pattern, multiple choice questions will be there. In this paper 1 you will be having mathematics, science and social, each 40 marks. Total 120 marks, and your time will be 3 hours. So each subject you need to take 1 hour. Each subject will be having 40 questions, 40 marks. Let's start with our mathematics. And your first main, 4 choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. We should not use ink pens. First one, the values of x and y which satisfy the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. What are the values of x and y? Here we go with the trial and error method. By using options, we need to substitute in the equation and find the answer. First option, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Substitute. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 16 or not, we need to check. 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 10 plus 6 will be 16. Yes, it satisfies. Therefore, what are the values of x and y? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. That is your option. A, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. Second one, by solving a pair of linear equations, x plus y is equal to 8, 2y minus x is equal to 1. The values of x and y are, we need to solve these two equations. Observe here carefully. I take x plus y is equal to 8 as it is and rearrange this equation. That is minus x plus 2y is equal to 1. Solve the two equations by elimination method. Plus x minus x cancel. We are going to add these two equations, right? Y plus 2y will be 3y. 8 plus 1, 9. Send this 3 other side. Y is equal to 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Y is equal to 3. And thus y substitute in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in this. 2 into 3 minus x is equal to 1. 2 3s are 6. Bring this 1 this side, minus 1. Minus x and other side. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Check the options. Option C, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3 is the right answer. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Third question, the standard form of the quadratic equation 3x square is equal to 4 into 5x minus 3 is. You need to write this equation in standard form. That means 3x square, remove from brackets, 4 into 5x will be 20x, plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12. Bring these terms this side, 3x square minus 20x plus 12 is equal to 0. Check the answer in the option. 3x square minus 20x plus 12 is equal to 0. That is your option D. Fourth one, the pair of coincident lines in the following are. You can see 4 pair of linear equations here. Let us take first one, x minus 2y equal to 0. 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Write the ratios what you have, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 4. Now just observe this. 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. These two pair of linear equations will be intersecting. But here what is the question? The pair of coincident lines in the following. Coincidence means, what do you remember the ratio? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That means all the ratios are in proportion. So let's go with the second one in this. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Again write the ratio. 2 by 4, 3 by 6, minus 9 by minus 18. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 ones, 3 twos, 9 ones, 9 twos. Minus minus cancel. So observe here, all the ratios are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, these two equations form coincident lines. So let's go with the answer. Option B. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Fifth one, the sum of first 15 terms of an arithmetic progression is 465. Sum of first 15 terms means S15 is equal to 465. And the sum of first 14 terms, sum of first 14 terms of the same arithmetic progression is 406. Then its 15th term is, you need to find 15th term. That means A15. There I remember a formula. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. That means n value is 15. S15 minus S15 minus 1. That will be S15 minus S14. Okay. S15 value is 465. S14 value is 406. Let us subtract this. 15 minus 6 will be 9. And here 5. 5 minus 0 will be 5. Therefore, A15 value is 59. 15th term value is 59. Check for the option. That is your option B. 59. Sixth one. The 20th term of an arithmetic progression. 1, 5, 9, 13, so on is 20th term means we need to calculate A20. See here given arithmetic progression A or A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay, don't need only 2 enough. A or A1 is equal to 1. First term is 1. Second term 5. To find the common difference D, we do A2 minus A1. That is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. A20 we need to calculate. So we know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. A plus 19D. A value is 1. 19 into D value is 4. 1 plus 19 fours are 76. 76 plus 1 will be 77. Therefore, 20th term of the given arithmetic progression is 77. Check for the option here. Option A, 77. Seventh one, if x, 8, 11, y are the consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. They have given us 4 terms and said they are in arithmetic progression. X, 8, 11, y are the consecutive terms, continuous terms, are in arithmetic progression. The values of x and y are respectively equal to. We need to find the value of x and y. You can do this in 2 methods. First method, if it is an arithmetic progression, then the common difference will be constant. Therefore, 8 minus x is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to y minus 11. Comparing 2 pairs you can do. And in that way you will get x and y. Now I am going to do in another way. That is, where you know numbers, you know second term, third term. A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 value you know, A3 value you know. Let me write that. A2 is equal to 8. A2 general form. A plus D is equal to 8. Mark this first equation. And next A3 is equal to 11. Write A3 in general form. A plus 2D is equal to 11. Mark the second and solve these two equations. A plus 2d is equal to 11. A plus d is equal to 8. Let us subtract these two equations. Why? Both are having positive sign. So we need to change the sign and subtract the two equations. Plus a minus a cancel. 2d minus d will be d. 11 minus 8 will be 3. Okay, this d value substitute in any one of the equation. Let me substitute in this. A plus d is equal to 8. A plus 3 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 minus 3. That will be A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3. Observe here, write this in general form. A, A1 or A value, what you got here? 5. That means X is equal to 5. First term is nothing but X and that X is equal to A is equal to 5. Coming to your fourth term, write this in general form. A plus 3D. Y is equal to A plus 3D. Substitute A and D value. A value is 5. D value is 3. 5 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5 will be 14. Therefore, X is equal to 5 and Y is equal to 14 is your answer. Let us check for the answer here. It is your option D, 5 and 14. Option D, 5 and 14. Eighth one, if 8x20 are in arithmetic progression, the value of x is 8x20. I can do this in two methods. If they are in arithmetic progression, if you don't know middle term, you can go with arithmetic mean formula. That is, x is equal to a plus b by 2. X is equal to 8 plus 20 will be 28. 28 by 2 will be 14. Or the common difference will be constant, right? So let me mark this as A1, A2, A3. I go with A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to D. Common difference is constant. Therefore, we can do in this manner. A2, x minus 8 is equal to 20 minus x. Minus x bring this side. Plus x. Minus 8 send other side. 20 plus 8. X plus x will be 2x. 20 plus 8 will be 28. 2 is a multiple. Send other side. It will be divided. X is equal to 28 by 2. That will be 14. Therefore, what is your x value? 14. Which option? Option C. 14 is your answer. Ninth question. The first term and the last term of an arithmetic progression are A and L. A is the first term, L is the last term, respectively. Then the sum of its first n terms. You remember a formula, sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. When you know first term and last term. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. And this, they may give in this way also. A plus last term is nothing but An. Okay. Either of this formula they may ask you. So let's go with the options. Which option is right answer? Look here. This they have given in this form. N into A plus L by 2. Anyway, they can give this formula in your choice. So let's see the option here. Option C, Sn is equal to N into A plus L by 2. Ninth one, option C, Sn is equal to N into A plus L by 2. 10th one, the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 81 equal to 0 are. We need to find the roots of the equation. 4x square minus 81 equal to 0. Send this minus 81 other side. 4x square is equal to 81. X square is equal to 81 by 4. Multiple 4 if you send other side it will be divided. X square, in order to remove square, apply square root. X is equal to plus or minus 81 by 4. This 81, I can rewrite it as 9 square and 4 as 2 square. 9 by 2 whole square. Square and square root will be cancelled. In quadratic equations, when we are applying square root, plus or minus compulsory. Therefore, finally, what are the roots of the given quadratic equation? Plus or minus 9 by 2. See the options here. Option D, plus or minus 9 by 2. 11th one. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are. What are the roots of this quadratic equation? When we simplify this equation, we are going to get two roots. That two roots are nothing but the quadratic formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus two roots. One with positive and another with negative. So at a time we can write it as minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is your quadratic formula. Check the option for this. Square root of c square minus 4ab. Option A, is it right? No. Option B, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Is this the right option? Yes. Option B, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The two roots are x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a or minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 12th one, in finding the roots of the quadratic equation, 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Finding the roots of the quadratic equation by the method of factorization, the middle term minus x can be written as. How you can split this minus x? How do we do in factorization method? We multiply this and this. That is 6x square into minus 2 will be minus 12x square. Split this. Split minus 12x square in order to get minus x. What are the factors of minus 12? 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So, where you add or subtract, you should get minus 1. I go with 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 will give you minus 1. And write along with the variable. Minus 4x plus 3x will be minus x. And if you multiply minus into plus minus, 4 3s are 12, x into x, x square. So the middle term minus x can be written as minus 4x and plus 3x. Check for the option here. Plus 3x and minus 4x. Option A, 3x and minus 4x. 13th question, the quadratic equation in the following is. You can see the four options here. First one, x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x. X square will be cancelled. If it comes this side, it will be minus x square, right? Those two will be cancelled. Is this a quadratic equation? No. What is the standard form of a quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a cannot be equal to 0, but here a value is 0. So let's go to the next option. Option B, 3x 2y. You can see here two variables and it is not a quadratic. There is no power 2 or a degree 2. So therefore I won't consider option B. Go to option C. Solve this one. Do LCM. X into x, x square plus 2 is equal to. Then send this other side. X square plus 2 is equal to x cube. Yes. By seeing this again, do you say quadratic? No, it is a cubic. So let's go to the last option. I think this is the answer. Yes, x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. If you want, you can compare with the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and A is not equal to 0. Therefore, your answer is option D, x square minus x plus 3 equal to 0. 14th one, in the right angle triangle ABC. Let me take a right angle triangle, and it is right angle at B, and this is 90 degree. If tan C is equal to root 3, the angle is here tan C, opposite by adjacent. What did they give here? Tan C is equal to root 3. Tan C is equal to root 3. The value of angle A is, what is angle A is your question. Okay, observe here carefully. Tan C, in tan trigonometric ratio table, where you get root 3, tan C is equal to tan 60 degree. Yes, and angle C is equal to 60 degree. C is 60. That means angle C is 60 degree, and we know this is a right angle 90 degree. What is angle A? We know sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. Two angles we know. We need to find the third angle. Add these two angles. 90 degree plus 60 degree will be 150. Total 180. 180 degree minus 150 degree, it will be 30 degrees. Your answer. What is angle A? Angle A is 30 degree. Check for the option. Option A, 30 degree. 15th one, sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. What is 1 minus cos square theta? We know by identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means, we know by identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Send this cos square theta other side. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. We need to find this. That is nothing but sin square theta. Square this one. Sin theta is 3 by 5. Sin square theta is 3 by 5 whole square. 3 3s are 9. 5 5s are 25. Check for the answer here. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, then what is the value of 1 minus cos square theta? 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. That is 9 by 25. Therefore, your option is option C, 9 by 25. 16th one, if sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and cos alpha minus beta is equal to 1, where alpha plus beta is less than 90 degree. That means we are talking about a right angle triangle. Then the value of alpha and beta are respectively equal to. Okay. I can remember in a trigonometric ratio table, 1. Where do you get 1? Sin 90. Let us write that one. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin 90 degree. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Mark it first equation. Similarly, in cos trigonometric ratio table, where you get 1? 0. That is, cos alpha minus beta is equal to cos 0 degree. That is, alpha minus beta is equal to 0. Mark it second equation. Now solve these two equations. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Alpha minus beta equal to 0. You can see plus beta minus beta. Directly you can add the two equations. Cancel. Plus beta minus beta will be cancel. If you add, alpha plus alpha will be 2 alpha. 90 plus 0 is 90 degree. Alpha is equal to 90 by 2. That will be 45 degree. We got alpha. Substitute this alpha in any one of the equation. That is, alpha minus beta equal to 0. 45 degree minus beta equal to 0. Minus beta sent other side. Beta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, what is alpha and beta is your question. 45 degree and 45 degree. Check your options. Option D, 45 degree and 45 degree. 17th one, in the figure ABC, you can see the figure over there, is a right angle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is right angle. BC is equal to 6 centimeter, angle A is equal to 30 degree, then the length of AC. Observe carefully, right angle, your angle is here. And we know what is this side? Angle's opposite side is opposite. And right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. We are talking here about opposite and hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine. And your theta value is 30 degree. Apply here. Sine 30 degree is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. BC value is 6 by AC. Cross multiply AC here, 2 here, 6 into 2. That will be AC is equal to 12 centimeters. Check for the option here. Option B, 12 centimeter. 18th one, which one of the following is a correct relation? Let's go with the options. Option A, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta plus 1. Is it right? No. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. So this is a wrong option. Option B, sin theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Is it right? No, sin theta is reciprocal of cosecant theta. This option is also wrong. Option C, tan theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. No, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is also wrong. So, option D, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Yes, this is the right answer. That is option D, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 19th one, the midpoint of the line segment joining the points ax1, y1 and bx2, y2 is. What is the midpoint formula, children? If you know the coordinates, what is the midpoint formula? That is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Check for the option where you have x1 plus x2 is not there here. You have option B, x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Let me go with the option. Option B, x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. 20th one, the distance between the points A 0, 5 and B minus 5, 0. We know AB. Instead of writing distance formula D, I take here as AB distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square as the distance formula. Let us mark the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute x2 value is minus 5, x1 value is 0. Minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 value is 0 minus y1 value is 5 whole square. That will be minus 5 minus 0 will be minus 5 whole square plus 0 minus 5 will be minus 5 whole square. Minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. And here also minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 25 will be 50. Square root of 50. 50 is not a perfect square. So, let us split this 50 as 25 into 2. Split the root. Square root of 25 into square root of 2. Root 25 is 5. 5 root 2 units is your answer. What is the distance between these two coordinates? 5 root 2 units. Check the option. Option C. 5 root 2 units. 21st one. In the given graph, the length of BP is. Observe the figure carefully. Length of BP. Don't go for applying any formula. Just observe the graph carefully. BP, you need to find the length. See, on y-axis, where is B coordinate? On y-axis it is 5. Okay. And observe P. P coordinate on y-axis it is 3. Subtract those 5 minus 3 will be 2 units. Or you can count, children, 1, 2. What is the length of BP? 2 units. Check for your option. Option A. 2 units. 22nd one. If px comma y divides the line join ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2, then x and y are equal to. This is nothing but your section formula. That is px comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. That means x is equal to this and y is equal to this one. Okay. See in your options, you have x is equal to m1 x1 there. No, then it is wrong. Then go to option B. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This one is correct. Let's see why. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Therefore, no need of checking option C and D. Your answer is option B. Option B, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. 23rd one. In the cumulative frequency distribution table given below, the number of families having income range of rupees 20,000 and rupees 25,000 is. You can observe the table. Monthly income more than 5,000 rupees, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000 more than you have. And here number of families 100, 85, 69, 50, 37, 50. Observe the question here. The number of families having income range of 20,000 and 25,000. How many families get an income of 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees is your question. So observe the table carefully. I can see here more than 5,000. See, these are all more than 5,000 only. More than 5,000 means all the frequencies are there here. Total families, 100 families are having an income more than 5,000 rupees. But my question is only 20,000 to 25,000. So let us write this in class interval form. More than 5,000. See here, 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. I am not writing. 10,000 to 15,000. 15,000 to 20,000. Why each having a difference of 5,000? So class interval range is also 5,000. We can write the class interval in this form. Next 20,000 to 25,000. Next 25,000 to 30,000. And here more than 30. So let me write 30,000 to more than, I don't know, but let me write it as up to 35,000. Class interval, okay. Let us see the families. For 50 families are gaining an income of 20,000 to 25,000 rupees. No, we should change the cumulative frequency. They have given this is a cumulative frequency. How we are going to change this cumulative frequency into frequency? Let me take another column. Frequency. In more than Ujjayi, cumulative frequency, we go on adding from the bottom to top. Or in total frequency, you go on reducing the frequency. Any way you can do. Now, in the same manner, I go on subtracting from the bottom. Bottom number will be as it is. And this 37 minus 15 will be 22. 50 minus 37, it will be 13. 69 minus 50 will be 19. 85 minus 19 will be 16. And here 100 minus 85 will be 15. How many families are getting an income between 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees? So therefore your answer is 13 families are gaining an income of 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. Please observe this carefully, children. In examination, you may have a chance of answering it as 50. But please don't do that. Your answer is 13. Then which option is your right answer? It is your option C, 13. Option C, 13. 24th one, the average marks scored by a student in a test of 6 subjects is 18. We are talking here about average. Average means mean. Mean value is how much? 18. Average of how many subjects? 6 subjects. Okay, I remember a formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation x by n. Okay, average x bar or mean is equal to sum of the scores by number of the scores. Let's read the question again. The average marks scored by a student in a test of 6 subjects is 18. The sum of the marks scored by him in 5 subjects is 86. Then the marks scored by him in the 6th subject is, look here, we need to sum all the 6 subjects. We know 5 subjects sum. Okay, 5 subjects sum is how much? 86. And we should find the 6th subject. Average is equal to sum of 6 subjects score by number of the subjects. 5 subjects sum is 86. Find the 6th subject score. Cross multiply this one. 18 into 6 is equal to 86 plus x. 18 6 108 is equal to 86 plus x. X is equal to 108 minus 86. That will be 22. What is the marks scored in 6th subject? It is 22 marks. Which is your option? Option D, 22. 25th, the median and mode of a grouped scores are, what is given? Median is equal to 26 and mode is equal to 29. Find mean. We know the empirical relation 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Okay, we need mean. So mean is equal to, bring this side, 3 median minus mode. I need only mean. Here 2 mean there. So by 2. Okay, 3 median. Substitute median and mode value. 3 into 26 minus 29 whole divided by 2. 3 into 26 it will be 78 minus 29 by 2. 78 minus 29, 18 minus 9 will be 9, 6 minus 2 will be 4. 49 by 2. Cancel, 2 2s are 2 4s are 0.5. Therefore, mean is equal to 24.5 is your answer. Check for the option. Option D, 24.5. 26th one, in the given figure, angle B is equal to 90 degree. It is a right angled triangle. AB is equal to BC is equal to 2 centimeters. Then the length of AC is, what is this length is your question. How can you find this one? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB value is 2, 2 square 4. Again 2, 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. AC is equal to square root of 8. In trigonometry, no need of writing plus or minus. Then AC is equal to, root 8 is not a perfect square. How can you split this? 4 2s are, and that will be 2 root 2 centimeters. Therefore, length of AC is equal to 2 root 2 centimeter. And there your option is option A, 2 root 2 centimeter. 27th one, in the triangle ABC, if DE parallel to BC, you can see here, in a triangle D is parallel to BC. Then the relation which is true is, I think you can remember basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersecting other two sides at two distinct points, divides the other two sides in equal ratio. So, let us go with the options. Check the options which is true. AC by AD. Can you compare these two? AC by AD is equal to EC by BD. EC by BD. I cannot compare in this manner. And then option B, AD by DE. No. And option C, AD by AB, AE by AC. Yes. You can say yes here. By corollary of basic proportionality theorem, I can say that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Okay, this is a correct ratio. And if you go with option D, AB by BC. Option D, AB by BC. You cannot compare in this manner. So, when you are comparing two triangles, this triangle AD and big triangle AB, and this triangle AE and big triangle AC. Therefore, this is the correct relation. That is your option C. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. 28th one, triangle ABC. Let me take a triangle. ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and their areas are in the ratio 25:9. If BC is equal to 5 cm, find the length of QR. See this one, by observing the triangles, I can directly say the answer. Here area 25:9 there, right? 5 5s are 25. Then which square is 9? 3 3s are 9. Therefore, QR is equal to 3 centimeters, I can say. Or by using the theorem, if you want, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to corresponding side square, BC square by QR square, or I can write it as BC by QR whole square. Area ratio is 25:9 is equal to BC 5 by QR. Apply this whole square other side, square root, remove square, 5 5s are 25, 3 3s are 9. That is 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by QR. Then therefore QR is equal to 3 centimeters. What is QR length? 3 centimeters. Check the option. Option B, 3 centimeters. 29th one, the measure of three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then the triangle is, okay, let me take a triangle. A ratio of angles 1:2:3. So let me take here 1x, and this is 2x, and this will be 3x. Okay, ratio of the angles we are talking. But what do we know? Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Add all these. X plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 3 plus 2 plus 1, it will be 6x is equal to 180. X is equal to, send 6 other side, 30 degree. Therefore, see the angles here. X is equal to 30 degree. 2x, 2 into 30, it will be 60 degree. 3x, 3 into 30, it will be 90 degrees. See, observe here. Then this angle is a right angle. If one angle is 90 degree, then we say that triangle is a right angle triangle. Check the options. Option B, right angle. 30th one, the true statement in the following. Which is a true statement we need to identify? Option A, two similar triangles are always congruent. No, we may not accept. Always we cannot say. Maybe sometimes congruent and sometimes may not be congruent. What is the rule, children? All similar triangles to be congruent, their corresponding angles must be equal, or the corresponding ratios must be in proportion. Okay, sometimes maybe, may not be. So therefore, always they won't be congruent. This option is a wrong statement. Option B, a square and a rectangle are always similar. No, they cannot be. Option C, two equiangular triangles are always similar. Yes, what is equiangular triangle? All angles of a triangle are equal. If all angles are equal, what will be the angle? It will be 60 degree. Then if you take another triangle equiangular, it will be 60 degree. Therefore, both the triangles are similar. That means two equiangular triangles are always similar. I go with this option. That is your option C. Two equiangular triangles are always similar. Okay. 31st one. The lengths of the tangents drawn to a circle from a point outside it. You can remember a theorem in circles, right? What is that? The tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are always equal. But here they did not give you external point. They have given here point is outside. Outside point is nothing but the external point. Therefore, what you can say? Length of the tangents drawn to a circle from that point will be equal. Tangent's length will be equal. I go with the option B, are equal. 32nd one, in the given circle with center O, ACB is a line, AE and BD are the tangents. AE and BD are the tangents. ACB is a line, AE and BD are the tangents. If AB is equal to 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters and AE is equal to 3 centimeters. The length of BD, what is the length of BD is your question. Observe here carefully. Though they have given ACB is a line, I can see C point is touching the circle and I can say AB is also a tangent. And now we know this 3 centimeters. Here if I consider A is an external point, AC and AE are the tangents. Then the length of the tangents will be equal. Then A to C 3 centimeters. Why this tangent is 3? This will be 3. Observe the B point. B is at external point. BC and BD are the tangents and the length of the tangents will be equal. Observe here, if we know BC, we can find BD. Total AB length is 12 centimeters. 12 minus 3 will be 9 centimeters. If BC 9 centimeters, tangent's length will be equal. So BC equal to BD, that will be 9 centimeters is your answer. Therefore, go with the option D. Option D, 9 centimeters. See the figure carefully. They have said only AE and BD are tangents. But I can see AB is touching at a point C at one point of a circle. That means this becomes a tangent. And if A is external point, these two lengths will be equal. And if B is external point, these two lengths will be equal. I know AB length and subtract this 12 minus 3 will be 9. If this is 9, this will be 9. Therefore, your answer is option D, 9 centimeters. 33rd, in a circle with center O, the secant is. What do you mean by secant? It passes through the circle touching at 2 points on a circle. Tangent touching at only 1 point. Right, let us observe here what all you can see. AB touching at 1 point. Then what is AB line? It is a tangent. Through center, this is a diameter. PQ, it is a chord. Then coming to XY, yes, it is a line passing through the circle, touching at 2 points of the circumference of a circle. That means what is the secant here? XY is a secant. So your option is option B, XY. Identify the secant set. Option B, XY. 34th one. A student divided a line of length 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters line is divided in the ratio 2:3. Geometrically, as shown in the figure, the correct lengths of AM and MB obtained by calculation are respectively equal to. A line, total line length is 9 centimeters. So let me assume it as 2x, 3x. Sum of this ratio 2x plus 3x is equal to 9. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 5. That will be 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. X is equal to 1.8 centimeter. Right? We got x now. Then find AM. AM is equal to 2x. That means 2 into 1.8. 1.8 into 2 will be 3.6 centimeter. And coming to MB, it is 3x. 3 into 1.8. 3 into 1.8, that will be 5.4 centimeters. Therefore, the length of AM and MB are 3.6 and 5.4 centimeters. So, which option is correct here? Option C, 3.6 centimeters and 5.4 centimeters. 35th one, the correct relation between the sides of the triangle ABC given in the figure. You can see the figure over there, and it is a right angled triangle. Angle B is right angle, and this is the hypotenuse. Immediately I remember Pythagoras formula, that is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That will be B square is equal to C square plus A square. Let us check the options here. Option A, C square is equal to B square plus A square? No. Option B, A square is equal to? No. Option C, B square is equal to C square minus A square? No. Option D, B square is equal to A square plus C square. C square plus A square or A square plus C square, both are same. Therefore, your option is option D, B square is equal to A square plus C square. 36th one, the volume and the surface area of a sphere is numerically equal. Then the radius of the sphere is, okay, volume of sphere and surface area of sphere are numerically equal. Volume of a sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay. This denominator send other side. 4 pi r cube is equal to 3 into 4 pi r square. And observe here carefully. 4 pi cancel. And r 2 times and r is 3 times there. So 2 r's cancel. And you are left with r is equal to 3. Therefore, we got r is equal to 3. That is nothing but the radius of a sphere is 3 units. And we go with the option A, 3 units. 37th one, a funnel given in the figure is the combination of, you can see the funnel over there. What is that figure you can see? The figure is a combination of two solids, that is frustum of a cone and a cylinder, right? So see the options. Is it a cylinder and a cone? No. A cylinder and a frustum of a cone? Yes. Option B is your right answer. Option B, a cylinder and a frustum of a cone. 38th one, the solid is in the shape of a cylinder with the two hemispheres struck to each of its end as shown in the figure. You can see the figure over there, and two hemispheres are struck to ends of the cylinder. The radius of the cylinder and the hemisphere are equal to r centimeters. If the height of the cylinder is h centimeter, volume of the solid. What is volume of the solid? How can you frame the formula? Volume of the solid is equal to volume of a cylinder plus, how many hemispheres you can see? 2, right? 2 into volume of hemisphere. Write the formula. Volume of a cylinder formula is pi r square h plus 2 into volume of a hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. And this I can write it as pi r square h plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 pi r cube. Take pi r square common. Why? R is same for cylinder and hemisphere. R square common, h plus 4 by 3 r. Cubic units. Let's see for the option. Option A. Pi r square 4r by 3 plus h centimeter cube. Yes, this is the right option. No need of saying other formulae. So let's go with option A. Pi r square 4r by 3 plus h centimeter cube. 39th question. The height and the radius of the base of a cone are. The height given how much? Height 12 centimeters and radius 5 centimeters. Then the slant height of a cone is, we remember a formula, the relation between height, slant height and radius. What is that? L square is equal to r square plus h square. We know the relation L square is equal to r square plus h square and we need to find L. Therefore, L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. R value is 5 5s are 25. H value is 12 12s are 144. Add 25 and 144. 169. Square root of 169 will be 13. L is equal to 13 centimeters. Therefore, slant height is 13 centimeters. Check the option. Option C. 13 centimeters. Let's see the last question. A frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery is melted and remolded completely to the shape of a sphere. Okay, understand the question carefully. A frustum of a cone-shaped jaggery is melted and remolded in the shape of a sphere. And your question is, then the volume of a sphere is. Volume of a sphere is volume of a frustum of a cone melted to form volume of a sphere. Then what is volume of a sphere? See the options here. Option A, 3 times the volume of a frustum. No. 2 times the volume of a frustum. No. Half the volume of a frustum. No. Complete frustum is melted and made to form sphere, right? So C option is also wrong answer. Option D, equal to the volume of the frustum. Yes, volume of a sphere is equal to volume of the frustum. And you may see there, frustum of a cone option you might have searched. Okay, they can give only frustum also. Don't be confused there. Therefore, your option is option D, equal to the volume of the frustum. Option D, equal to the volume of frustum. With this, we end our multiple choice question based model question paper 2, which is released by the board. And try to shade in OMR sheet correct options carefully. Don't use ink pen, either blue or black ball pointed pen only you need to use. Next session, we are going to meet with another new question paper. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all.